Pandabuy. Go ahead and open up any browser of your choice and go to Pandabuy. Once you're in pandabuy.com, we're going to go on the top right where it says right here to log in and sign up. We're going to sign up or log in. Now once you've done that, we're going to locate the thing that we actually want to buy. It could be shoes, it could be a hoodie or a shirt or accessories. Now let's say this is the product that I like to get. We're going to go step by step. We're going to go at each one of these and choose the appropriate things. First, we're going to look at the price, see if that's okay. We're going to look at what's the seller going to be and the shipping fee. And the second step on a certified warehouse. For my example, I'm just going to press the category here that is appropriate for me. We're going to look right here and go to agreed and you press add to cart. Once it is in our cart, we're going to go to the top right to a profile picture. We're going to go to order. On the left side, we're going to go to cart. And here we'll see what's in our cart. We're going to press on the appropriate one and go to submit. And right here it says, please select a destination country. So of course, add your country. Once you've added your country, we're going to look at all the other information. Make sure everything looks right. We're going to press on I have read and agreed. And go to submit order. Here we will choose how we will pay. It'll be either from crypto, PayPal, Stripe, a card, UnionPay, and so on. Go to confirm payment. It's going to redirect you to the appropriate option that you picked. We're going to enter our information, press on pay. Once you press on pay, it's going to redirect you to Pandabuy, and you're going to confirm one last time, and it will send you a confirmation email, and it will update you on when your package will come to your door. That is how to buy from Pandabuy.